Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Foodsaver gasket is probably one of the most important parts of your vacuum sealer, ensuring an airtight seal to keep your food fresh and prevent freezer burn. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about replacing your Foodsaver gasket, from identifying signs of wear and tear to choosing the right replacement and completing the installation process efficiently and effectively, so you can get back to preserving your favorite foods with confidence. Number 5. OutOfAir Foodsaver Gaskets. Is your Foodsaver vacuum sealer struggling to create a tight seal? It might be time for a simple fix. These replacement gaskets are specifically designed to restore your Foodsaver's sealing power. They're easy to install and will keep your food fresh for longer. These gaskets fit various Foodsaver models, including the V2400, V2800, V3000, V3200 series, and the GameSaver Deluxe Plus. Please check the description for a complete list. If your Foodsaver has one foam and one rubber gasket, only replace the foam one. If you have two foam gaskets, replace both for optimal performance. Foodsaver recommends replacing your gaskets annually to maintain peak sealing performance. It's a small investment for big results. Don't let a faulty gasket spoil your food. Get these easy-to-install replacements and enjoy perfectly sealed food every time. What we like? This one comes with two gaskets, ensuring you have a spare. It's compatible with several Foodsaver models, making it a versatile choice. If your Foodsaver struggles to hold a vacuum, this is the perfect solution to restore its sealing power. What people say? They fit perfectly. Easy removal of old gaskets and easy installation of new gaskets. Works perfect again. Perfect fit, sealer works like new. If your Foodsaver isn't vacuum sealing, this is your answer. Replace these seals and back to working like new. Number 4. Impresa Foodsaver Gaskets. These replacement gaskets are compatible with many Foodsaver models. They're designed to restore your vacuum sealer's suction power. It improves the vacuum sealing performance. If your old gaskets are worn, it's time for a change. This 4-pack fits various Foodsaver models, including the V2200, V2400, V2800, V3000, V3200, V3400, and V3840 series. For best results, replace both gaskets if your model has two. Made from a high-quality foam blend, it ensures a tight seal. Having spares on hand means you'll never be without your vacuum sealer. They are compatible with a wide range of Foodsaver models. Check the description to see if yours is included. These are aftermarket replacements that meet or exceed the quality of the original gaskets. They're a great value and will keep your Foodsaver running smoothly. What we like? It offers a 4-pack of gaskets, providing extra value and spares. This product boasts compatibility with a wide range of Foodsaver models. If you need a cost-effective solution with multiple replacements and broad compatibility, this is it. What people say? Installed the new gasket. Did not glue it in. I may yet do that, but it seems to be staying in on its own, and most importantly, it's now working fine. Vacuum progress light on and everything. They worked perfectly and my vacuum sealer is now working like brand new again. The Foodsaver made a seal that actually was too hot to touch. This has not happened since it was brand new. I then placed food into the bag and held my breath. Hit that vacuum button and then I heard the angels sing. Not only did it vacuum, but it was a super tight vac, and then it sealed on its own after maybe 30 seconds. It works as if it were brand new. Number 3. OutOfAir Foodsaver Repair Kit. Is it struggling to create a vacuum seal or failing to seal bags completely? It might just need a simple repair. This kit contains everything you need to get your Foodsaver back in top condition. It's easy to install and will save you money on a costly replacement. You'll receive 4 foam gaskets and 2 pieces of replacement Teflon tape. These are the most common parts to wear out. It fixes issues with vacuum sealing and bag sealing. Remember to check the product description for details on which parts to replace for your specific model. It works with a wide range of Foodsaver models, including the V2200, V2400, V2800, V3000, V3200, V3400, V3800 series, GameSaver Deluxe Plus, and VAC 800 series. Check the description for a full list. Before purchasing, Please double-check that your Foodsaver model is listed to ensure compatibility. Simple instructions are included to guide you through the repair process. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes gaskets and heat strips, addressing both vacuum and sealing issues. It's perfect for a thorough machine refresh. If your Foodsaver has trouble with both vacuum and sealing, this kit will solve your problems. What people say. They fit like a glove. Magic. Works like new again. Seals a small bag in about 5 seconds now. This kit made it work like it was just out of the box. The gaskets fit perfectly, and putting the new base, included, for the heat sealer fixed that issue as well. Now it vacuums my bags like a new machine. I am very pleased with this purchase. Number 2. Foodsaver Replacement Gasket T910-00159. Is your Foodsaver machine struggling to create a vacuum seal? It might be time for a simple fix. Let's see how easy it is to replace the gasket. This 2-pack of replacement gaskets is compatible with many Foodsaver models. It's the perfect solution for restoring your machine's sealing power. A worn-out gasket can lead to poor vacuum seals, compromising the freshness and quality of your food. Replacing it is quick and easy. Although it may look different at first, it's designed to fit perfectly into the slot of your compatible Foodsaver machine. Simply insert it and you're good to go. This replacement is for the bottom foam gasket only. If you have both foam and rubber gaskets, only replace the foam one. Do not remove the rubber gasket. Foodsaver recommends replacing your gaskets every year for optimal performance. This ensures your food stays fresh and your machine works efficiently. It works with a wide range of Foodsaver models, including the Deluxe, various numbered models, and even the Amazon Basics vacuum seal system. Check the description for a full list. What we like. This 2-pack focuses on the bottom foam gasket, ideal for those needing a simple replacement. It's designed for specific Foodsaver models. If you only need to replace your bottom gasket and own one of the compatible models, this is your best bet. What people say. When I contacted Innova, they said they don't sell replacement gaskets. Measurements seemed like this one would fit, so I gave it a shot, and now my Innova Precision Sealer is working great. Fit great. Fixed sealer. This was a perfect replacement gasket for my somewhat vintage Foodsaver. Item as described and arrived on time. Number 1. GERYON E2900-E2901 Seal Gaskets. Is your GERYON vacuum sealer losing suction? These replacement gaskets are the perfect solution. They're easy to install and will restore your machine to peak performance. These gaskets are custom-made for the GERYON E2900 and E2901 models. They ensure a perfect seal every time, bringing back that powerful suction. Made from a high-quality foam blend, these gaskets are built to last. Enjoy long-lasting durability and reliable sealing for years to come. Replacing these gaskets is a breeze. No messy adhesive is required, simply install them and get back to sealing your food. It's a cost-effective way to keep your vacuum sealer running smoothly. Avoid expensive repairs by replacing the gaskets annually. These replacement gaskets will restore your machine's suction to its original strength. Perfect for maintaining the quality of your sealed food. What we like. This 4-pack is specifically designed for GERYON E2900-E2901 vacuum sealers. Installation is straightforward, making replacement a breeze. If you own a GERYON vacuum sealer and want a simple, effective solution, this is the one for you. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.